Greeting everyone, it's Otaki once again. In this video I will show you how to fix the Steam that is not ever launching. So the first thing that you need to do is just open Task Manager. So you need to search about Steam here. If you find anything that is popping up, just select the Steam and then task. In my case it doesn't show because I already shut down that. So the second thing, which is you go on the search bar and you will press run. The first one, just type it, and then you will press type percentage local app data percentage, then you press OK, and you will find all these things on you. So you will find search about Steam and then delete this folder. If still not launching yet, there is another thing that you need to do, which is opening this folder of the Steam, which is in local C, then program files 86, then Steam. You need to delete all the folders except Steam apps and the Steam icon. So you just press Ctrl A, Control in the Steam apps, and Control in the Steam itself, and then press delete, or just right click delete. So after that it should be launching and downloading the Steam once again, the data, and enjoy the thing. Hope you like it, the video, share and subscribe. Peace.